How to fix freeze Rainbow Six Siege. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Today we are tackling a common issue many gamers face, freezing Rainbow Six Siege. If you are struggling with this, you are in the right place. One of the most common reasons that may cause Rainbow Six Siege to freeze is high CPU usage. Here's how you can detect high CPU usage after running. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete on your keyboard and then navigate to the Task Manager. Upon opening Task Manager, you will be able to see your computer's CPU, memory, network, and power usage at the top. Try checking to see if the CPU percentage touches 100% while running Siege. If yes, your computer is struggling to relay new information while the game is running, thereby causing frequent stutters and freezes. To fix this heavy CPU utilization, players can try out the simple method that may help them run Siege without freezing. Launch Rainbow Six Siege, get into a deathmatch or any other PvP mode and wait for the freezing to pop up. This may also work in T-Hunt for some players. Once the freezing occurs, open up the Task Manager and head to the Details tab. Look for Rainbow Six Siege and right-click on the game's listing. Navigate to Set Affinity where it will lead you to Processor Affinity tab. Uncheck all the CPUs and only select one and click OK. Wait for 3 to 4 seconds and then select all again before clicking OK. Once again, close the tab and play the game. This might fix your issue, but still if you encounter the issue, you can try out other fixes. Ensure that your PC meets the game's minimum system requirements. If you're just scrapping by lowering the graphics settings in-game could make a huge difference. Sometimes the issue lies within the game file themselves. If you are on Steam or Uplay, there is a handy feature to verify the integrity of game files. Likewise, running the game as an administrator can also help. This keeps the game necessary permissions on your system. Ensure your PC isn't overheating. Clean dust from vents and fans and consider using a cooling pad for laptops. A poor or unstable internet connection can sometimes cause games to freeze, especially online multiplayer games like Rainbow Six Siege. Check your connection stability. If all these solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is uninstall the game and reinstall it. Following these steps, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix freezing Rainbow Six Siege. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more gaming tips and tricks.